Hey, third grade friends. We've been working with how to multiply by 9. And today we're going to take it a step further and also talk about dividing by 9. But let's review multiplying by 9 first. Say I have the problem figuring out how many total players there are when there's 9 players per team and there's 8 teams. So how many total players are there? Now, I might not know what 9 times 8 is, but I do know what 10 times 8 is. 10 groups of 8 would equal up to 80. But I don't have 10 groups of 8, right? I've got 9 groups of 8. I've got one less group of 8, so I've got to take a group of 8 away from this product, and I will end up with the product for 9 groups of 8, right? So if I had 9 players per team, and there were 8 teams, there'd be 72 players altogether, right? Well, let's think about this if it was a division problem and we had 72 total players divided by 9 players per team. How many teams would there be? So this would be the total number of kids. This would be players in a group, right? A team is like a group. So there's 9. I already know there's going to be 9 in a group. I just don't know how many groups there would be, right? So we would divide that. How can I use multiplication to find this answer? I can create a multiplication equation that will match this same story. Because I know, if I know there's in a group, I want to know how many groups there are. And I know that factors always tell me how many groups I have or how many is in a group. So if I'm looking for either one of those pieces of information, I'm looking for the information a factor would give me. So I'm wondering 9 players times how many teams is going to equal 72. So I can use my multiplication facts to help me figure out my division facts, because 9 groups of 8 would equal 72. That means that 72 divided into 9 in a group is going to have 8 groups. Hopefully you're seeing the relationship between factors in a group, groups, total. Total, in a group, groups. So you should see the relationship between division and multiplication. So create a multiplication equation that matches your division problem.